Final Four in the Knockwurst division. Let's meet him. Libby Lou in the tan. Klaus in the light blue. Schnitzel in his 9th year, correct? 9th year. Can we give some love to Schnitzel? Is this the year? That's the question. All right, we'll see. He's ready.
Okay, Buddy from Waukesha.
Buddy from Waukesha. Pick your wiener, ladies and gentlemen. I've got the one in the orange. It's gotta be his year. Here we go. Good luck to all the racers. Owners, racers ready. Catchers ready. Fans, let's hear it. Come on! Get set. Go! Oh, Schnitzel! Oh, Schnitzel! Come on! Blue, red, orange.